think this big guy's a woodpecker, guys. He's got the head. Oh, God, I can't hold it still. I'm like a drunk guy.
Looks like he's getting ready to fly. Oh, don't get in our garden.
Oh, yeah, he's looking. He's eyeing it severely.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, shit. What's it eating?
I can't see. I can't see what he's doing.
Maybe it's just on the ground.
That's all it is.
I have no idea where it went.
I don't see him in the pots that are low.
He must be behind the few on the ground and the ones that are blocking us on the cinder blocks.
I hope he's not on my tomato, that one tomato down the ground.
Yep,
Uh-oh.
he just jumped up in a bucket. What?
Oh, he put his beak down a little bit, but I don't think he ate anything. He's checking our food out, our vegetables.
Well, maybe he's just looking for bugs in there. I hope.
That's all. I hope he doesn't like basil.
That basil's gone, baby. It's an Italian bird. There he is. I think it will. Most birds will eat. I'm sure it's trying to eat something. It's got the sign in its mouth. He bit that, or she bit it. I'm just checking it out, maybe.
He's just curious, I think, to see what's what. Onions are high in the brown barrels.
Oh, yeah. Over here, this way. Let me see. Not that one. This one, yeah.
I only see his tail. What is he doing?
He was just, it's eating out of the feeder.
Oh, good.
I'm blocked by like one little flower blocking the dang thing. Oh, nice tail. I wish you would spread it.
Mm-hmm.
Birds are wild. They just, all the seeds they don't like, they go to the side, the left, right, left. Throw them everywhere. All right.
Great. What? I want to see what the party is over here.
And they're coming in?
Yeah, the other birds on top of the fence.
Now they're all on top of the, like, perched.
Yeah, they want to see what's what. Yeah, that's right. The perch. They like the perch. I gotta go to the bathroom again. Oh, there it is. I think it's reached it.
I might set this case up with the shelves again and have an array of slot cars. 132nd, 124, and HO. No, I don't think HO will be in here. They have their own acrylic cases, and I have an old watch, Timex watch case that used to spin, or it spins. I might have to repair it, but it has all little shelves to put the slot cars on. But this house is not equipped for something like that. Don't ever buy a ranch unless your legs are blown out like mine were. Now I'm getting better slightly. I'm like, man, this house sucks.